I'm rolling now. Y'all told me to be here early, and they where my clock at? What time is it? 9 o'clock?
Probably 9 o'clock.
Man, I've been here since 6 o'clock in the morning.
You want to come here? 8:30.
8:30. Okay, well, I always say, yeah, and I called them, and they on their way and all that. They got to go through registration.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Get at me. You'll see us right now.
All right. I told y'all I'd be here. Told me to be here at 6 in the morning. And it's one of these spots. That's cool though. I'm the early bird. Like I say, can't be early, don't need to be too late. And then walking over here. Says his name D. Got a food truck over here. I got my camera rolling. What you say, name of your food truck? Curbside Kitchen. Where you out of?
We out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Man, they come all the way. That's right. That Cadillac had was Milwaukee plates. I'm always watching CJ on 32s and what's your boy up there with the paint? They do all the paint up there.
Pito.
Who?
Talking about Pito.
Doesn't
Player's Choice.
Yeah, Player's Choice.
Yeah, that's
PC.
Pito.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, they doing a show for him tomorrow or something, man.
Is that down here? I know they got it at the drag strip.
At the race
Yeah, we going there.
Supposed to be giving Pito a tribute.
Oh yeah, yeah, that boy can paint. Yeah, we going there tomorrow too.
I don't know if I'ma hang around.
Come a long way. Shit, the shit only around the corner almost.
Right.
And they supposed to come and inspect the truck. We ain't gonna speak on their tardiness.
Yeah.
But yeah, if y'all ever in Wisconsin, pay him a visit.
That's right here.
Yeah. Well, speaking of, forget Wisconsin, huh? Come see you today, huh?
Curbside Kitchen, man.
Curbside. Oh. Yeah. All your favorites. We here early on a Friday, so y'all be here Saturday. I'm gonna be making a video all day today of cars coming in. And alright, D, you done got me started. Now I'm rolling. Get hungry, get fun, huh? On Nia with the turkey leg, huh? Leg sleep. Oh man, it's my favorite. Hold up, favorite. I'm gonna have to hit you right back. Let me get this shot. Get this shot. All the way for it, and then my wife called. I started FaceTiming her. And I'm walking, I said, let me go and look at some of these cars over here. And I'm looking at Ross lineup, right? And I came across this. Ooh, wee. Man. I don't think, man. That is hard. They made a Trans Am truck, probably out of a Silverado or something, but man, that is nasty. Man, that is nasty. Get yourself together. Ooh wee. You don't see it though. That is nasty. Don't even try to look in the window. That's none of your business. Man, that is nasty. Get yourself to, oh man, that is nasty. Right next to the Shelby game. That's nasty. I was just walking, trying to figure out how I'm gonna shoot the big video. It's just a taste. It's just a taste. Trying to see the layout. Catch these cars coming in here today. and figure out how I want to do that. Man, them 4Gs look good on there. Man, that's a nice fit. Man, that is nice. Yeah, it made me think about you, Crazy Ken. Look at that though, Ken. Man. Man, look at that. How that fit. Whew, that is nice. See how that fit? Whew, that is nice. I like how them fit. That is nice. Phew. Man. You see it? That long wheelbase. Something different. Wait. See. Ooh wee. Man, that long wheelbases. Oh my God. That bitch. Ooh wee. Get yourself together. They say it's levels to this shit. Man, that is something. Oh my God. Can't breathe. I didn't know I was gonna feel like this. Man, that masonry is different. Ooh wee. Man, that look like that's the way I thought the culling should have been. Long like that. And it's not. Culling should have been that. But a truck. They ain't got no long wheelbase culling. And I prefer the long wheelbase. Man, look at this nasty. Ooh wee, that black been wiped down. Whew. That's serious. Man, the wheels on this one. See it? Everything got a price. Everything got a price. You see it? It's the way it fit. It's a certain fit. Man, that's nasty. See how that poke out right there like that? Man, look at that. That wheel is nasty. That's nasty. That is nasty. Oh man. That set of spokes over there. I love me some spokes. I don't know what it is. Oh, some spokes. What's happening? So we got some spokes over here. I like how that's laying on the ground though. Look how that's laying on the ground though. Man, that bitch look nasty. Man, that's laying down real nice. It's the stance. If you don't know, it's the stance. The stance on that one. Just the stance on it. With the little beer case in the back. With the beer cooler. It's the stance on it. 5.7. Man, some nice wheels on this one. Man, the wheels look good. keys up in there. Nice big lip. MG logo. These Coleons. 4G Coleon. Registration on the seat. The bag right, you can take it home. Look at the blue line. Look at this. On the Corleones. The Boss Edition. Oh man. There's levels to it. Man, this bitch clean. Look at that throwback. Yeah, look at that. Silverado on the Corleone. See that lip? Check the bed out. Seats done. Man, look at the kid on that dress. Look at the bumper kit on this thing. Man. I don't even know what I'm looking at here. I don't even know what the hell this is. I don't think this is a real drop. This is a... Yeah. Oh, yeah, they cut the top off a coupe. That's that Port of Miami. What we got, man? Sun coming out. We out here washing them, getting the wash on. What's the wheel still coming in? The 4G spokes. I'm biased when it comes to spokes. It's only one set of spokes. I understand the 4G spoke. I understand it, but we biased. Man, this motherfucker clean. Huh. Man, that white look good. 5.5. He said he waiting on the wheels when I seen on YouTube. Stitched by Slick. Yeah, that look good, don't it? Yeah, he laid that out. Yeah, that, you see it. Stitched by Slick, you see it. And my little zoom out. Bing, bing. He said that make it official. Man, that look good. I want to open the door. This is clean too. That interior looks wonderful. That interior looks wonderful. Got the original Wagoneer. Yeah, these ran through my city. She had one of these. You were cool. Wagoneer. Original Wagoneer. Original Wagoneer. Out of that line goes that Masonry Phantom, that Trans Am truck. Washington. General Lee. Somebody growling in 5.7. That 5.7. Listen to it. Oh, here they come. They coming in. I wanted to get a shot of this. Corniche. With the peppermint Vogues. Y'all understand? Y'all understand? Put some peppermint Vogues on it. I like it. Get a shot of these cars rolling in. Let's see what's up, man. They rolling in. Dollar bill. Let's see what's going on over here. Working up a thirst. Man, look at that Super Duty. Let's get lifted on the 350 side. Get you some. 73 Caddy. With the original wheels. Like make me off. Man, I love them wheels. What's happening? Heard it growling in here.
Yeah.
Man, I love them wheels.
Yeah, thanks.
How many inches are those?
What's that?
How many inches is the rim?
Shit, Dan, what kind of the size of ribs? Huh?
How many inches are those wheels?
20s by 12s.
20 by 12.
And 20s by 10s in the front.
Man, perfect.
Hey, how's it going, bro?
Nice. Where you out of?
Cali.
Cali? Come a long way.
Oh, yeah.
Come a long way. Phew, man, that is...
Get this out of
Man, oh, them seats. Man, them seats is nice.
You got that thing so clean, man.
Man, I love that wheel. That console. Man, that is nice. Yes, sir. They say it's levels.
They're sitting on a rotor shop frame that has everything you can put on the truck. I'll read digital dash, AC, heater.
Man, that's beautiful.
This motherfucker is beautiful.
They got everything done on the inside.
Man, all the lines ran so pretty and nice.
That's what I'm saying.
Man.
Oh, and la charra.
Well, that's one key. That's one key going.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Yeah, that's gonna be hard, man. I want to see the other guy then. What the hell? All right, who gonna beat that? They say it's levels to this. That's in the wheel. It's out.
What's up?
Lay it on down.
Bring your table and everything? The bathroom here is hilly here.
Man, look at the etching on this.
As much as I can.
God, man, that painter. Yeah, paint. Look at the seat. Man, that seat is all bullet game. Oh, that is nasty. Get yourself together. Wee.
Want to put it right here.
God.
Put the pylons because they told me to save it for them. So I'm okay.
Oh.
So you can be from right there to whatever your space is.
Yeah, like details in the details.
I don't know. It's kind of weird. Well, we'll try to make it work. Okay, so do our best. You want to start on that side then? Yeah. Where's that piece of plywood?
Oh,
We'll get it off.
that's shit.
Relax.
God. Like you should get a key for that. Man, that is nice. That's nasty. I'm trying to. Man, this is gonna be 6 race. I just really realized what the hell I'm looking at here. Man, he turned this damn thing into a trophy truck. Walking past it, like you even put a trophy truck on the street. Man, that baby nasty. That is nasty. That is serious. My God. Man, that is crazy. I'm walking and not really looking and man, look at that. Man. Indiana green. That's nice too. Yeah, that's cool, but I don't even know how. Look at this damn wheel, man. The damn wheel up to my damn, literally, my belly button. Damn, how many inches is that? How fat the rim is. Big, wide ass rim. Man, that's the widest, tallest I've seen. Man, that's a wheel. Man, how many inches is that motherfucker? Man, that's crazy. You got switches on this. I remember seeing this at the Midwest Fest. Yeah, you see it. You see that? You see the control right there. Bam. Front, back, side to side if you want it. Nothing like a fresh set of spokes. You see the back side? Yeah. Yeah, you see it. Man, them babies perfect too. Man, they fitting. And it's the art to picking your nut. Hex nut, 2 wings, 3 wings. Man, let me see something. I just want to walk over here and see if this is fresh. Getting it fresh.
I'm a businessman, I know how it is.
These boys was here yesterday. What's happening? What's happening? Oh, where I see that at? Kentucky. I seen it somewhere. don't know what he's doing with that. I want to get a shot of these giraffes. I'm looking at these trucks. I'm like, this just cut them right here. Car hauler. Got so many damn cars, it's crazy. I mean, ridiculous collection. I think get my promised land shot, right? Promised land shot. Whole other house over here. We got the promised land shot. I had to get a shot of these giraffes, man. Look at the giraffe. The giraffe game is crazy. That's what that is. You get here, they'll bust you down.
How you doing?
All right. I'm making me a YouTube video for the day. They get here, they got a whole team over here to bust you down, get you right. They pull up and it won't take long. How much you charge for the, how much?
200, you doing 200?
200? Okay, I saw that on the ground over there, but okay. I ain't know whose sign it was. So it's 400 for the interior, 200 for the wash, huh? Well, I guess he got charged like that because he probably paid $3,500 to be in here. 200 for the wash. If that don't tell you everything you wondering, I'm gonna call $1, man. If that don't tell you what you want to know, it's the other weight class. The Reese about to set up here early on a Friday. Gotta wipe them down. The interior, nice. That is nice. Need a fresh set of terry cloth. You see it? Stunner Reese here early. Gotta get the wiping on it. It's on YouTube. Set it up. Fastest in the world.
Fastest in the world. It's the lightest. We don't know about fastest yet. We're going to find out when we get back.
It's the lightest?
Yeah, 3,500 pounds.
I know, you know, Dunk Master put that fiberglass.
This is all steel. He's still a little bit heavier than
It's
mine.
still heavier, huh? Well, that's going to make a whole lot of difference, ain't it?
Yeah, that's that true.
Okay. Yeah. I don't even know what the fuck I'm looking at. I see that's a gas tank, but what's on top of it?
Protector.
Okay, I thought that was some new technology or some shit, some cooler to keep the gas cool to make the shit flow faster, and thought y'all reinvented the wheel. I've been following this car, seeing it on YouTube and Instagram. This ain't the same one. We all out of Texas?
Cali.
Out of Cali. So is this the one that a day with Cali Boy was coming up?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I thought so. I think Lace out of Texas got the other white one.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, you say you're gonna find out tomorrow. So that means you're going to the track.
No,
Oh.
Cali. When I get back to Cali.
Oh,
I gotta
okay.
test the tuner still.
All right. Well.
Oh, we on this side down here though. We ain't down there before you go out there. We right here on the side.
She out here going hard, hustling them car wash. What Ross say, every day hustling. What's happening? I got jet life on 2 vehicles. Seen that on the Honeycomb. What's happening?
Good Playboy.
The collection.
Crazy shit. Ben shit.
Yeah, I know. I follow you.
Alright.
Yeah, I know you.
Dog, how you been? You been here last year?
Yeah. Who?
You saw me last year?
Yeah. Well, I wasn't here last year, but I've been following you online. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I said, oh, this is the collection.
Yes, sir.
It's the collection, not just
Show the front. The KS
not,
in the front.
not just a collection. It's the collection. The Tina collection. Only the rarest.
Unique special.
Only the rarest. They're paying $200 for a wash. The collection. Tina boy showed up with the collection. Man, look at the interior in this thing, man.
That's right.
Unicorn.
right-hand drive. Rally car from London. Shit I never seen.
Right-hand drive.
Rally lights in the front. Alright, we gotta pull these up to our top.
Give me 1 second.
Go. Hey, give him like 2 minutes. Somebody about to come get you.
Yeah, you heard that right. Rewind it if you didn't hear it. $200. I don't think he's going to vacuum the inside.
Keep the windows up, because you're going to get mad dust in there.
And the back. And the back. See the back, right? Yo, Mayu, see the back, right?
Yeah.
Back up some more. Push it to the limit. All right, that's good.
That bitch better when it's on.
Yes.
Full interior done up, blue and white, wood you never seen before. Crazy.
Getting all the details, getting all these cars right, man.
All right.
We here at the Rick Ross Promised Land, you hear me? My boy opening doors and shit's
So,
getting
the 1000 SEL.
Yeah, 1000 SEL,
Yeah, one
bro.
of one, right?
different, man.
Ooh, that bitch look good too.
Put the gold grill too. The grill is gold in front.
So what's the story with this one?
This one, Carlson built. This from Carlson, the tuning company. This was a press car actually. It has yellow wood, yellow leather, full yellow paint. They never made this car in yellow, so this is a custom made car. 600 V12.
Let it breathe. Let it breathe. Let it breathe. Let it breathe, Pico. Let it breathe. Let it breathe.
Yeah, fun bar. Look at
One.
slow.
Ooh.
Hey, Vigo, I'm gonna bring the follow car. Right.
Still mustard in there. It's real mustard.
Yeah, mustard before he was born.
Game over. We got the winner. We got the winner.
Nothing but beans.
That's crazy. This place can't be real. We got three of the same plate on three different cars. None of these be registered. They all got the same plate. I thought I was just seeing shit. Like the Winwood boys. car, and I thought the judges had put some kind of tag on the car. I said, man, look at this. These motherfucking draws. Yeah, so, yeah.
Stand on there.
Hey, so that was some player shit. Yeah, player for real. That was player for real. And that's your car over here, right? The Buick. Just her car over here. She brought it all the way across. She brought it all the way across. And giving out draws. You need to jump on the plane and go support, right? Golden panties. About that life though, huh? That's cool. They cut it. Man, that bitch hard. It's hard. Drop ball, bitch. That bitch hard. That bitch hard. I like it. Man, that bitch hard. Drop ball. Be careful right there. That big dip, it might catch the trailer. Watch that big dip, it'll catch the trailer. That's why he going that way.
Hey, who's doing that detail though?
Still hustling them car washes.
Okay. So we gonna put them. Okay, we're gonna put the
We're gonna buy some panties.
Yeah, let's get right here.
Listen, I pulled up and bitches had panties on this motherfucker. Right. Bitches had
right
panties
here.
on this motherfucker and I walked up, dog.
Cap, pull that bitch out, Cap.
Ready.
Pull
All
that bitch out.
right. All right.
How far over you going? Should I move that?
Now you good. We're gonna just get in this place right here. We're gonna see how good Tiger drive. I know that. Yeah. Hey, the phone, the phone. Oh, you missed. You did what's up. You did what Trav did. Good. The first time.
Hey, that's close enough.
Come on, man. Go right there.
Oh, shit. I guess when you want it done right, call Freddie.